How you going, guys? Just another quick video with our Vhedia G series unit. So it's another customization one. Basically, if you've got this map here, so it's Google Maps by default, you might notice that it's not like keeping your location accurately. The reason for that is because it's Google Maps, so it requires some kind of connection, whether that's mobile connection or internet. So when you're connected up to like Z-Link, so your Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, it's using those maps correctly because those maps are from your phone, and your phone is connected to your data, so your mobile data is connected to your the mobile cell towers and stuff like that, so you're getting internet. But if you connected the unit instead of to your phone like that, if you connected the unit itself to Wi-Fi or Starlink, or plugged in its own SIM card via a SIM card reader, this map would work. But a lot of people aren't going to do that because they want to have Apple CarPlay or Android Auto working. So what you might want to do with this square instead is, instead of a map, you might want to put on something like your dash cam or like music or something like that. Or you might want to change it to an offline map that's going to use the unit's GPS and actually keep track of where you are. So again, that Google Maps being there is a rare use case, but here's how you change it. So if you come into settings, you've got in general on the left, so scroll down until you see general, and then there's launcher app. So if I tap this, as you can see, I've got a couple more apps here than you will, but if you add apps, then as you can see, so if I put like car scanner and DAB plus and I hit tick, then I go back into here, then our options to add, and a little menu comes on the bottom, or sorry, a little warning saying that the app might not be like suitable for that small square. So be mindful of that. Some things you put in there aren't going to work properly. But here, I'll just give an example. If I change it to Spotify and go to the home screen, then now I've got Spotify there. So I haven't tested that one, but I know on another unit that's Osmand, which is a offline map application, OSM AMD, that does work. And Spotify does look pretty good. You can actually tap this to full screen it as well. So if it isn't working while it's in the window, like you can't use it very well, then full screen it with that button. But yeah, that's kind of how you can use this square better if that Google Maps isn't going to be suitable for you. So let us know if you have any other questions, and get on our live chat on our website, our phones, or our emails. All of our contact details are on our website, which will be linked below. And let us know. We'd be happy to help. Cheers, guys.